Hey guys, and welcome back, and today we got two airplanes to show you. This is a Grumman F-14 Tomcat and the Boeing F-18, which is a E, which is a Super Hornet Rooster, which was pretty much two airplanes. Let's start with F-14 Tomcat. Here it is, a swept-wing F-14 Tomcat, which is number 114. It does have two engines. It does have grenadiers and missiles. So, pretty nice airplane. Up next, last but not least, is Boeing F-18 Super Hornet, also called Rooster. There it is, a F-18 Super Hornet. It does have engines, wings, and even a mouse cone, lots of missile pods, and even an afterburner. So guys, thank you so much for watching about two airplanes unboxing, and I will see you next time. Over and out.